Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Ado and thank you for tuning in. I hope you all are doing well. Now today's video is going to be about the overall health of our hair. Now daily exposure to harsh sunlight, weather changes, stress and pollution makes our hair dull, brittle and prone to damage. Although there are many products available in the market, but nothing works better than natural ingredients. As per Ayurveda, the health of our hair depends on two things, that is our diet and the products that we use on our hair. These are very crucial on maintaining the overall health of our hair. Now, growing up in an Indian household, we are no strangers to chumpy, that is hair oiling, and homemade masks. My mother and my grandmother would always prefer this homemade masks than any chemical products. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about one such product that is going to preserve your hair with the old age tradition of Ayurvedic hair treatment, crafted with the potent herbal extracts of Methi, Tejpatra, Triphala, Tulsi, Shikakai, Brahmi, Bakuchi, curry leaves, methi, japa and dashamoola. It is a concoction of 10 luxurious herbs. And the product that I'll be talking about today is Mother Sparsh Hair Lab Dashmool, intense hair treatment and promotes healthy scalp and hair. Mother Sparsh Dashamoola Hair Lab is a remedial and traditional Ayurvedic treatment which involves crushed and powdered blend of botanical extracts and Dashamoola, that is a blend of 10 luxurious herbs, which strengthens and repairs your dry and brittle hair. It also helps in your hair growth, volume, leaving your hair stronger and healthier. So please continue to watch the entire video, because in this video I'm going to talk about the efficiency of this product, how this product works on your hair, and how this product has transformed my hair. And also I'm going to show you how to apply this product. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. Mother Sparsh Dashmool Hair Lab comes in a tub packaging like this, and it is secured with a white screw cap. Inside also you will find a cap so that the product remains secured. Also, the net quantity of this product is 100 grams and the price of this product is rupees 599. It is suitable for both men and women, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years. This product is made with natural ingredients, plant-based derivatives, bioenzymes, authentic Ayurvedic formulation, therapeutic grade essential oils, and many other certified organic ingredients. And this do not contain synthetic ingredients, parabens, phthalates, SLS, or silicons, any artificial coloring or fragrance, and it also is not tested on animals. In the packaging you have all the details of the product, and it says that it is an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine, and each 100 gram hair lab contains powder of active ingredients, which I've mentioned before. Now let us see what benefits does it give. An Ayurvedic powder which is specially designed to help in promoting hair growth and treating weak and brittle hair by making it strong and nourished. Enriched with Dashamoola and rare herbs, this hair lab aids in strengthening dull hair from roots while minimizing hair fall and promoting healthy scalp and hair. It has given indication, directions to use, and caution. Now let us read the caution. Slight cooling and tingling sensation can be experienced due to the presence of essential oil. Natural products may be allergic to some people, so take a patch test for 30 minutes and discontinue if the irritation persists. Now I'm going to show you how this product looks like. This comes in a secured white cap like this, and as you can see, it is in a crushed and powdered form. The color of this product looks like one that of henna, and also it smells like Ayurvedic herbs. So that is all about it. Now let us see how to use this product. Unlike other gel-based and cream-based masks, this Mother Sparsh Dashmool Hair Lab does not contain any chemically formulated ingredients and preservatives and the results are not short-lived. The good thing is that this product is a traditional Ayurvedic recipe from our grandmothers and mothers, and this is so convenient to use. You can use it with anything which is available in your home, be it curd or plain water. Now, let me show you how easy and convenient it is to make and apply it to your hair. You just need 2 tablespoons of this hair lap, and I think this is enough for your hair. If you have extremely dry hair, you can use it with the curd. Here I'm using with water, plain water, and then you mix it up to make a smooth paste. Look at the smooth texture of this. It just takes about a minute or so. And now the smooth paste is ready. Now gently apply the lap on the scalp from the roots till ends as I'm showing you. Ensure that you make sections of your hair so that the lap is over all of the hair and none of the part is left. This lap has Dashamoola, which stimulates the hair growth and reduce hair breakage. It also helps to get rid of scalp related problems like itchiness and dandruff. It has curry leaves, which is loaded with protein and antioxidants and fight against premature graying and improves hair and whole scalp health by increasing blood circulation. It has Brahmi, which restores the vitality of the hair. It helps to eliminate dandruff, split ends, and other hair problems. And it has Shikakai, which calms the scalp while improving the hair strength and elasticity. After applying this hair lap from the roots to the ends, as I've shown you, keep this hair lap for about 20 to 25 minutes and then wash your hair with a mild, non-chemically formulated shampoos. And you will see how beautiful and how voluminous your hair looks. It literally gives the shine that your hair needs, the food that your hair needs. So I'll come back after I wash my hair after 20 to 25 minutes. This hair lap acts as a hair vitalizer to infuse your hair with essential vitamins, and it definitely added a luminescent sheen to my hair. My hair feels stronger, it looks healthier, and it definitely is voluminous than before. So my final verdict, Mother Sparsh Dashmool hair lap helps you to embrace your real self with real ingredients. I would definitely recommend this hair lap for healthy, smoother, and stronger hair. So please go and grab one of these and let me know how you feel about it. For your convenience, I have listed the product details in the description box below. I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.